Hello, my name is Onyeka and welcome to Webcodetut. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on your WordPress website hosted on Namecheap shared hosting using a Windows computer. As you may know, Namecheap doesn't officially support Let's Encrypt SSL certificates, but don't worry, I've got a workaround that is easy and straightforward. As a WordPress developer, I understand the importance of securing your websites with SSL certificates. They not only make your site secure for visitors to use, but they also give your website an SEO boost. However, when I found out that Namecheap does not support Let's Encrypt, I was sorely disappointed. But after some research and experimentation, I found a workaround that allows you to install a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on your Namecheap shared hosting with a WordPress website. And today I'm going to show you how to do it.
Before we begin, let's take a look at the site with the expired SSL certificate. You can see that the padlock icon is no longer there and it's showing that your connection is not private. So now, step 1, install Certbot. To get started, open up a web browser on your Windows computer and visit the following address. Beside my HTTP website is running, select Other from the drop-down list, and from the second drop-down list, select Windows. Then scroll down and click on the link for the Certbot installation file. Click on the link to download Certbot. Install Certbot on your Windows computer. You need to have admin privileges to install Certbot, so select Yes. Step 2. Generate a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Click on your Start menu and open Certbot. Then, you also need admin privileges. Then, generate a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for your WordPress website using the following command. Follow the prompts to generate the SSL certificate. You'll be asked to deploy a DNS-TXT record under the name. Visit your zone editor on your cPanel from your Namecheap account. Click Manage and add the TXT record. It will take a while for the DNS settings to propagate, so wait a few minutes and then try to check whether it has propagated successfully. It has propagated successfully. Step 3. Install the SSL certificate on your shared hosting account. The SSL certificate has been stored in the Certbot live folder. So navigate to that folder to get the SSL certificate. Now that you have generated the SSL certificate, you need to install it on your Namecheap shared hosting account. To do this, open the folder where your new SSL certificates are stored. Open the certificates using a TXT editor, a text editor. Log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the SSL TLS section. Click on Manage SSL Sites. Select your domain from the drop-down and paste the certificate and private key in the respective boxes. Click on Autofill by Certificate and click on Install Certificate. Step 4. Test your SSL certificate. Finally, you need to test your SSL certificate to make sure it's working correctly. To do this, visit https://decoder.link. Type in the web address and click check. You can see that it has been successfully installed. You can also navigate to your WordPress website using the HTTPS protocol. You should see a green padlock icon in your browser address bar indicating that your website is secure.
And that's it! You now know how to install a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on your WordPress website hosted on a Namecheap shared hosting using a Windows computer. Remember, SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt are valid for 90 days, so you need to renew them periodically. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Webcodetut for more WordPress development tutorials. Thanks for watching!